All right, now that we've got the factors, what we're going to do is bring in the data. So you do equal. Well, go to C5, or depending, I hope it's C5 for you, but right underneath the WAC EVA spread, go to that one and do equal. B as in boy, D as in Dave, P as in Paul, open parentheses, and go over and find the first stock. So you highlight that in column A and hit your F4 key 3 times so you lock into A. And then comma, go up to the account number, the WAC EVA spread, and hit your F4 twice and close parentheses. So you see the function there, equal BDP, open parentheses, $A, and the company you're on, hopefully line 5, comma, C, $4 to get the EVA spread. And you hit enter. And it comes in, and so what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit my home key. I'm going to change that to comma functions. So my home key and just make it a comma so that they're all the same format. And I'm going to copy that down. And then I can Control C, hit my shift key, hit the right arrow twice, and I can now copy that over to the other two. Well, we're getting a lot of NAs in the debt to EBITDA. I'm not sure why that's the case, but we'll stick with it. We'll see. The WAC looks pretty good, and the EV, the EBITDA looks pretty good. We got a few companies. So we're going to actually. You have to just go through and just delete the companies that have NAs, just for this particular exercise. We won't do this when we do the final model, but just go down and find any companies that has an NA and just delete them out of the model entirely, just to make it easier for us to work with.
Is it any category?
Yeah, in any of the 3 columns.
We just go about deleting the rows?
Yeah, just delete the entire row. So click on the row and right click and delete. That gives us not a lot of companies, but it's okay. We've got about 30 companies to deal with. That's not terrible. All right, so we've got our data. So what we want to do is we want to rank EVA, and then we want to rank the debt, then we want to do a weighted rank, then we want to rank the weights, weighted, and then we want to rank EV to EBITDA. So we're going to be doing some weighting, some ranking. So we're not going to actually even use the if-error function since we got rid of all the NAs. We know that's not an issue, so that cleans things up. So we're going to just do equal, rank, open parentheses, go over to the WAC spread, comma, go back to WAC spread, shift, control, down arrow, hit your F4 twice to lock in the numbers, comma, 0, close parentheses. I'm going to go on and do these, and then I'll come help y'all get it set up. We can copy that down. We then can copy it over to debt, but with debt we don't want it to be comma 0, we want it to be comma 1 because higher debt is worse. So we'll copy that in, and I'll pause it there. Make sure.